Okay, so now we have finished with basic connectives, so we proceed with truth table. Okay, a truth table is a mathematical table that shows the truth and falsity of a statement or compound statement depending on the constructed truth values. So the truth value here can be either true or false. Okay, so in this case we are using T. We are using T to represent true, and we use F to represent false. Okay, sometimes we also can use 1 to represent true, or we use 0 to represent false. Okay, for the negation, so if our P is true, so the negation, not P, will be false. So if it is true, so the negation will be, if P is false, so the negation will be true, right? So it will negate the truth value. Okay, now we look at on the conjunction, right? So this is conjunction. Disjunction, and then implies, and then biconditional. So for the conjunction, okay, for the conjunction, it will be only true. Okay, it will be only true if both statements are true. P and Q both are true. If one of them is false, right? So for you look at on this row, right? On this row, so if one of them is false, then it will become false. So that is conjunction. Okay, well, for the disjunction, the statement will be only false. Okay, only false when both statements are false, right? So if one of them is true, then it will be true. Okay, for implication, implies, P implies Q, it will be only false, right? Only false when the first statement, so let's say if we have P implies Q, so the first statement is true and the second statement is false, then it will become false. So let's say we have Q implies P. So now Q will be the first statement, right? So it will be only false when the first statement, so now our first statement is Q, and the second statement for this case is P, is false, only then it becomes false. The rest will be true. So that is implication. Okay, for the biconditional, it will be true, right? It will be true if both statements have the same true value, either true or false. So if we have true and true, then it becomes true. And then if we have false and false, because the true value are the same, then it will be true, right? So the rest will be false.